Today, I'm going to reveal the most bizarre nighttime food tip ever and how I stumbled on this one weird food that torches belly fat if you eat it exactly 30 minutes before you go to bed at night. Exactly. My doctor eats this bedtime belly burner and he's now slim and trim in his late 60s. My grandmother uses my nighttime belly trimmer and she's lost her belly flab at 92 years old. Here's how it works. You will set your alarm on your phone or watch to go off 30 minutes before going to bed, and then you'll eat this one food, and watch what happens to your belly fat. Oh, it works wonders on thigh fat, back fat, face fat, you name it. Now, before I reveal it to you, have a look at my wife and best friend, Nicole. You know, I've been absolutely crazy about her since the moment she walked into this restaurant back in June of 2007. How time flies, right? Nicole is smart, driven, a fantastic mom, and my hero. I don't mind saying this to the world, and I'm not one of those guys that keep their feelings to themselves, so believe me when I tell you this, no amount of body fat or any kind of illness would ever change my love for Nicole. I loved her just as much when she was 35 pounds overweight, struggling with Crohn's disease, suffering with depression, afraid she wouldn't live to see our kids grow up and get married, and terrified of growing old before her time. Yet the honest-to-God truth was so painfully clear. She didn't love herself as much as she used to. And I was desperate to help her fall in love with Nicole again. So imagine the joy she experienced when she found out what you're about to find out today. My foolproof, willpower-free, eat what you love weight loss plan that I discovered completely by accident, that Nicole used to go from 163 pounds to 128 pounds in 6 weeks, and later used on myself to go from 244 pounds to 206 pounds in 6 weeks, all while eating whatever we wanted 3 days out of the week. And it all comes down to one food we eat before bed, 30 minutes before bed to be precise. Even if you don't fall asleep in 30 minutes, that's okay. Just shoot for that 30-minute window. Listen up, and I'll tell you how we did it. All I ask is that you pay close attention to this fast-paced, step-by-step video all the way to the end. If you do,